Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw the velociraptor, a cute version of the velociraptor, but with the feathers. It's a little bit of a sequel to the other one. This version is going to have feathers on it, so you know that like with more information that's coming out, it seems like they probably had feathers. So that's what we're going to do, and that is pretty much it. Hopefully this is really simple, which it will be, and it's going to be direct and it's going to be easy. I'm going to be using this Crayola brand marker. You can use anything you like, so it's really up to you. You can use a pencil, pen, but I do prefer a marker, and I do recommend a marker, but again, it's up to you. So now, let's jump right in. Curve right here for the front of the velociraptor's head. Curve back. Kind of curve, more of a straight. Brow over here. Continue to draw that line of the head here. That eye right there. Supposedly there's no way they had eyes like that, but alright. Continuing over here, and I'm going to draw his lower waist, which is coming down. Pull in. That one giant claw on the far side, and smaller claws over there. Line over here. Yeah, we're doing pretty good so far. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. When you subscribe, it's going to give you choice on videos. I draw every day, 3 times a day, in fact. But when you hit the subscribe and then the bell notification, you have to hit that bell notification. When you hit that, on your feed as you're scrolling, you're going to see like tons of thumbnails. One of those thumbnails is going to be mine. And you're going to be like, oh, cool, I want to draw that today. Or you're going to be like, nah, I don't want to draw that today. But at least it gives you kind of the choice to do it or not, in case there's something that springs up here. Because I do draw everything. Like, I mean everything. Over here, and I'm going to go back, and I'm going to connect. See, imagine a line going through here, all the way through here. So there's like a sweep, like so. And if you want, you can throw the far side. I don't know what you call it, a wing. Yeah, like I said, the description. Description is there's a source. There's a really big source for a lot